Right.
Welcome to all the students for this session. In the last session, what we have learned, that is acceleration in mechanism. So, in that we have studied there are two components of acceleration, tangential and radial component of acceleration, and also we have learned how to draw the acceleration diagram for single link of the mechanism. Now, in this session, we are going to learn how to draw the acceleration diagram for 4-bar chain and then after slider crank mechanism. So, here we consider the 4-bar chain, that is PQRS. Now link PQ, it is rotating with angular velocity omega. Link PS, it is the fixed link. Now we already learned that how to draw the velocity polygon. So by default, velocity polygon is the step number 1 for the acceleration diagram. So first we have to find out velocity of Q with respect to P. So that is omega of PQ multiplied by length of link PQ. From this we will get the magnitude of velocity of Q with respect to P. Then from that magnitude we have to choose one scale and draw the velocity polygon. So here we know that point Q is moving around the point P. So here the linear velocity of point Q, it is always tangential to the circular path, that is perpendicular to this link PQ. So this is the direction of velocity of Q with respect to P. So first mark the position of point P and draw the vector PQ perpendicular to link PQ. So vector PQ represents velocity of Q with respect to P. Then next, velocity of R with respect to Q. So that is, here that velocity vector is perpendicular to link QR. So draw the vector from point Q. It should be perpendicular to link QR. Then velocity of point R to S. S is fixed point. So point S should be coincide with point P. Then we have to draw the vector that should be perpendicular to link RS from the point S. So point of intersection of these two vectors, that is the point R. So here we will get vector QR represent velocity of R with respect to Q, and here velocity of R with respect to S. So this is the velocity polygon for 4-bar chain. Now the next step is acceleration diagram. So for acceleration diagram, here we assume that link PQ rotates with constant angular velocity omega. So it has only one component of acceleration, that is radial component of acceleration. Tangential component of acceleration is 0. So first we have to find out radial component of acceleration of Q with respect to P, that is equal to V square upon R. So velocity of Q with respect to P, its square divided by length of link PQ. Then we have to take the scale. Then first we have to mark the position of point P dash. Then here this vector which is direction towards the center, that is towards the point P. So draw the vector P dash Q dash parallel to link PQ. So vector P dash Q dash represents radial component of acceleration of Q with respect to P. Then acceleration of R with respect to Q. So first we have to find out radial component of acceleration of R with respect to Q. From this velocity of R with respect to Q, its square divided by length of link QR. So velocity of R with respect to Q, this value we will got from velocity polygon. Then direction of this acceleration is towards the center, that is towards point Q. So draw the vector from point Q dash parallel to link QR. So vector Q dash X represents radial component of acceleration of R with respect to Q. Then draw the vector from point X. Now we know that tangential component is always perpendicular to link, that is to radial component of acceleration. But here we don't know its magnitude, so we know its direction. So just draw the vector. Okay. Then acceleration of R with respect to S. So first find out radial component of acceleration of R with respect to S. That is velocity of R with respect to S, its square divided by length of link RS. So velocity of R with respect to S, that is we'll get from this velocity polygon. Then is direction towards the center, that is towards the point S. So draw the vector P dash Y, which represent radial component of acceleration of R with respect to S. Then we know that tangential component is always perpendicular to radial component. So draw the tangential component. So here tangential component of acceleration of R with respect to S and tangential component of acceleration of R with respect to Q. So these two vectors are intersect. So point of intersection is point R dash. So here we'll get tangential component of acceleration of R with respect to Q, and here this is tangential component of acceleration of R with respect to S. Join Q dash R dash, it represents total acceleration of R with respect to Q. Join S dash R dash, so it represents total acceleration of R with respect to S. So this is the acceleration polygon for 4-bar chain. Okay. So what is the procedure? So first we have to draw the configuration diagram, then draw the velocity polygon, then we have to find out the magnitude of radial component of acceleration, and then we have to draw the acceleration polygon. So this is the method to draw the acceleration polygon for 4-bar chain. Thank you. Thank you.